Most people use Excel, but only a few unlock its real power. In the next few minutes, I will show you a future that feels like magic and saves real working hours. Welcome to VSDL Excel Pro, where we learn Excel step by step with practical, real world examples. You can use in office work, studies, and daily productivity. This channel focuses on beginner friendly Excel training explained clearly and simply. In today's lesson, we are exploring a powerful hidden Excel feature that can transform the way you present and manage your data. By the end of this video, you will know how to use it confidently in real work situations. Today we are going to see camera tool in Excel feature. For this, you have to use Alt F T. By pressing Alt F T, here you have to choose the quick access toolbar, select all commands. In that, choose camera. Here already I have camera. Yes, you can add camera in your system. Now this is the camera option. The camera features is enabled in Excel. So this is example data. So just you can select the tables or data, click the camera feature. Once the plus symbols comes, just you can click it anywhere in the Excel. The same is appearing now. Just you can change the data in image. The data also changing. Whatever changes you are doing in the live data, the same changes will appear in images also. So just I'm changing colors, color also changing. This you can place it anywhere. Just I'm changing a color for one column. In image also the color is changing. Just I'm changing to one font. The particular font color also changing in image. This camera feature we can utilize for our dashboard. Just I'm showing an examples. So this is a sales report. I'm selecting this entire sales report. I'm going to camera feature. I'm placed in dashboard. Image is created in dashboard. So in the sales report, what are the changes I'm doing? Just I'm changing color. Here also color is appearing. Here I'm just changing to another item. The quantity I'm changing. So in dashboard also the changes happened. I check with one more examples. Just I'm changing to another item. Quantity I'm changing. In sales amount also changed. Here also the sales amount changed. Quantity changed. Item also changed. Another line item. Just changing the color. Let's see the changes in the images also. The dashboard. Yes. The color is changed here also. So here in the cell live report, hide the columns. In dashboard, in image also the columns are hidden. So you can change it to anywhere the images. The next total sales and the values. I'm just taking camera feature placed in dashboard. This total sales values are appearing here in the dashboard. So there is multiple reports. So I'm taking only summary in dashboard using camera feature. In expenses, just selecting the columns, selecting the cells, going to camera feature, dashboard, just I'm placing where I need. This can be increase also, decrease also. The size of the image you can increase or decrease also as per the requirement. See in the expense, if I'm changing the font style also, if I'm changing font size, font style, that also the changes will appear in image also. Just see font style and size are changed, it is appearing there also. This time again I'm going with Calibri. The size also I'm reducing. You can see there the dashboard also the changes happened. Taking to the page requirement, the sales total sales I'm increasing. Here the total sales I'm just getting bold. Dashboard also it has happened. The next we'll see in the alternance. In alternance, so I made absent, on leave, and late arrival. Just I'm selecting alternate status by camera feature. Going to dashboard, selecting, fixing to the page. Just I'm adjusting. The dashboard you can design as per your own. In the attendance, just I'm changing the status for one person absent to present. You can see the changes in from absent it is reduced. So in image also the name is removed from absent. If I check with another changes present to on absent, you can see that the changes happened in the images also. Next I'm changing late arrival to on leave. Consider late arrival reduced, on leave increased. The same is happened. Dashboard image also. With one more, the late arrival, changes in late arrival, the same is appearing in dashboard image also. So I'm giving Control P. Dashboard is ready for and printable also. For print also, the dashboard is ready. One more thing I'm going to add. I'm going to add date in dashboard. The live date equal today, open bracket, close bracket. So the live date also appearing in the dashboard. So in any department changes the live report, that will be appear in dashboard by using camera feature. When HR changes in attendance, the changes will appear in dashboard. When sales department updating the sales report, the sales details will appear in the dashboard. So everything will get in one page. Dashboard is ready for print. If this lesson helped you, tap like so more learners can find it. Subscribe to VSDL Excel Pro for step-by-step Excel training. And tell me in the comments what topic you want next. Your engagement helps this channel grow and allows us to keep creating practical Excel lessons you can apply in real work. Thanks for spending your time learning with VSDL Excel Pro. In the next video, we will expand these skills and move into more real world Excel applications. Until then, practice what you learned today, stay curious, and keep improving Excel skills.